If you ever feel stuck, hesitant, or uncertain about your path, pause. That hesitation isn't fear. It's self-doubt, and it's a mechanical block, not a personal flaw. Self-doubt isn't just about low confidence. It's an internal override. Your system second-guessing your highest signal. It slows movement, clouds decision-making, and keeps you in simulated safety. But here's the glitch. Safety isn't progress. Self-doubt makes you second-guess divine assignments. The more you let doubt lead, the more you reinforce a false command loop. I don't trust myself to act. That script can run for years unless you rewrite the core mechanic. You don't solve self-doubt with more affirmations. You fix the code. You shift from asking, "Can I?" to identifying who issued the command. When you treat self-doubt like a spiritual bug report, not a flaw, you shift from shame into system repair. Here's the frame. Self-doubt equals a flag from your nervous system arrow, lack of command, certainty arrow rerouting action through lower priority programs. Here's how to reprogram. 1. Catch the interrupt. Notice when hesitation hits. Freeze the moment. That's your flag. Example. You want to launch something, but you need more time. Pause. That's not time. That's doubt. 2. Name the source. Ask, who assigned this hesitation? Is it truly you, or a fragment trained by past failure or external pressure? Get honest. Source clarity unplugs false authority. 3. Recommit to true signal. If doubt is a defense protocol, what is your divine directive? Focus on the next precise right step, not the full plan. Precision upgrades confidence. 4. Move micro fast. Deliver one clear action in under 10 minutes. Speak it, build it, email them. Momentum breaks the loop. Over time, self-trust becomes your default layer. But start with this. Doubt isn't your enemy. It's a broken pointer. Fix the reference. You weren't built to second-guess your power. Learn how to shift your system from self-doubt to clear command at Ascend Corps.